To anybody who wants to say ancestors are evil, may we please ask you to start that sentence with the word my at the beginning, so we're very clear about who you're talking about. Okay.
So ugogo mina is not evil. Gogo wami akekho evil. Uma wami usashona naye akekho evil. Yabo leyo nto because bashona man balele njengoba sisho nathi sithi rest in peace. Balele bathule.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Usisi Hulisani Rafele, your TV presenter, former YouTube presenter, you guys, says that, you know, to people who says that Amadlozi are quite evil, they should rather say that their ancestors are cruel and evil, and not include everybody who believes in Amadlozi, you guys. And I saw the comment section, people were saying that Hudisani, you are so delusional, you're so deluded because Amadlozi are actually very much cruel, especially from the Christian community. They reminded her of the fact that Amadlozi uses the spirit of they use familiar spirits, and that Amadlozi is not what people are actually saying that it is, you guys. And I actually saw like this one lady video, you guys. This is the only person that probably defended Uhulisani Ravela, you guys. We do know what God says about, you know, familiar spirits. We do know that familiar spirits are very much alive, and they are very much the one that, you know, controls people. Anyways, you guys, what do you think about it? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like the video, do make sure, of course, that you share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. May God bless you all. I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye.
Abasizwa uyabo leyo nto abekho nje evil nhlobo. Nawo kokwakho nama ngabe shonile yabo uNkulunkulu uyobajaja ukuthi ba evil noma cha yabo, but ngokwazi wethu so far no abekho nje evil, balele nje kamnandi uyabo leyo nto. But mangabe sisoqala sesi consulta into ezithizeni sithi oma bethu ilokho ke evil yabo, that is evil, that part yabo, the consulting of izinto, because balele abasizwa, so it cannot be ukuthi bona laba esikhuluma nabo mangabe sithi sikhuluma nabaphansi, asikhulumi nabo, sikhuluma nabantu abaphansi. Okay, being silly, but asikhulumi nabo, yeah, bona balele abasizwa. Usathane doesn't have power over ingane zikaNkulunkulu mangabe seshonile. So linda the day la uNkulunkulu eza khona yila khona abantu bayojudgewa khona, but okwamanje nje balele uyabo leyo nto. Yeah, balele, but mangabe ukuthi kodwa uya consulta lento okhuluma nayo kodwa it's not uma wakho, it's not futhi gogo wakho, and that's just that, it's not. Yeah.